Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. I'm currently in a trade on pound USD. Which is GU. I made several entries here. Entry here, entry here, and entry here. My original entry was on this green candle here. As those three came in right there. As the market drew down on it against me. Made other entries, and as of right now, market's moving up. It's looking to break the high last week. There you go. I'm gonna cast. Well, guess I can get that. High was 37.56. So I got it right there in the head. So we're looking to break the high. As it came up here, already came very close to it. High was on 37.53.1. So it's still moving up. I'm waiting for it to break out and continue to break out and break the high. I'll hold my position and try to close out multiple positions later on in a minute. But yeah, GU's uptrend, as you can see. Still going all the way up. I'm looking to break high, so we'll be ready for that. I was just checking that.